Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Lumix FZ330. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. The Lumix 330 is a budget camera worth $349.99. This is a great starting camera as it has all the features a modern camera has, but is also not too complicated, with 4K resolution and high FPS rates, making this a cheap camera top of the range. It's a few years old, however, it does an amazing job at taking pictures and recording videos. This camera lens has 12.1 megapixels, giving it this great sharp image for the price. As well as the camera body in the box, you will get two USB cables, one UK or European plug, a battery charger and a battery. You will also be given a sun visor for the lens. To use this camera you will need an SD card which has 4K optimization. Link down below for all the equipment found in this video. I also suggest getting a tripod as this will help stability and making your videos/pictures that much better. The lens is 25 to 600mm. This is an ultra zoom camera. It can take great pictures at great lengths. Quick note, when on full zoom the Lumix can be quite unstable. This is why I suggest using a tripod. 4K mode can shoot 4K bursts at 30 frames a second. With the recording you can either record at 4K, 1080p and 720p. 4K, the max FPS you can use is 25 frames a second. However, going down to 24 FPS will give you that cinematic look. 1080p you can shoot at 50 FPS. However, if you are using the Lumix FZ330 you can shoot at 60 FPS. I think there is a way to trick the camera into recording higher, however I'm not a camera expert. If you're just getting into cameras and photography, I suggest this camera as it is simple to use. You can take pictures in RAW format or JPEGs, as well as in your videos you can use MP4 or AVI. If you'd like full specifications, I will leave a link in the description to the Panasonic website where you can have a look in detail about this. This camera has a built-in timer of 2 and 10 seconds. The camera also has a built-in Wi-Fi, so you can control your camera through your phone. This means if you want to zoom in or out, or control it with your phone without touching the camera, you can do this. At base, your camera will weigh a whopping 691 grams, which is a heavy camera. However, for the price and specifications, I would say this camera outweighs in both specifications. Your camera will be 91.5mm high and 131mm wide. So this isn't the biggest camera in the world. Another great thing, the camera is splash and dust proof. It has seals on all edges so no water can get in. However, I don't recommend submerging it in water. This camera was given most super zoom camera in 2016. It is now 5 years old. However, I suggest this as a starting kit if you're thinking about buying a camera. I highly suggest it. If this video did help, please drop a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.